How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to show you how to crack your knuckles for the first time. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comments section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So how do you crack your knuckles and how do you crack each finger for the first time? So when you're trying to crack your knuckles, what you really want to first start doing is just get each finger, and then what you want to do is just slowly pull on each one like so. See, you hear that one crack? So sometimes they will crack, sometimes they won't. Don't force it and just keep going like that. So now once you've done the fingers, then you can do the knuckles. So again, you just heard my knuckle crack. And again, not a lot of people think that just because some people that when they go like this, everything starts cracking. That's just a certain genetic type, you guys. Everyone's going to have different genetics. Some people, they will get the massive cracks whenever they touch their hands and they go like this. They might get just crack after crack after crack after crack. That's not everyone, you guys. Like a lot of people, you're only going to get a few cracks, but again, those cracks, that does help relieve the pain. Another thing to do is just go like this with your fingers. And you can, I don't know if you guys can hear this, but you can hear them cracking just a little bit, and then go like that. That'll help as well too. Again, so this hand too, again, just pull on your fingers. So again, that one cracked. Don't pull too hard. And then there you go, that cracked too. This hand's really not cracking. That's fine, you guys. But again, just by going like this, my hands feel so much better. And that's kind of really the main thing. It's not really about hearing the sound. It's just working your hands. And again, I do a lot of powerlifting, a lot of strength training. My hands are very important, you guys. So I do crack them. It does help them a little bit. And right there, that just cracked my finger. And again, knuckles, again, just do that with your fingers and then crack. And then, again, you will hear them. So again, very good, you guys. Feels amazing on your hands. So that was a question I got from a subscriber. Hopefully I answered your question. And I know my hands, they don't crack super crazy. They rarely crack. But again, that's what you do. You just simply go like this and your hands will crack. So in the video, thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again, everyone.